Instagram is an incredible tool for brand building and monetization, but the journey to becoming an Insta influencer is riddled with challenges, especially with its unpredictable algorithm. Have you ever wondered why some people just effortlessly get clients while others get lost in the noise? And can you still thrive and monetize on Instagram? Well, I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the best tool to start and grow your online education business. And in this video, we're going to unveil the ultimate Instagram monetization blueprint specifically designed for passionate creator educators just like you. So buckle in, here we go. Step one, make sure that you have your basics covered. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of monetizing your Instagram profile, let's make sure you have some solid foundations. Your Instagram empire needs to stand tall and capture the attention of your ideal audience. So start by optimizing your profile. Craft a captivating bio that showcases your expertise and entices your target market to hit that follow button. Remember, first impressions matter. Step two is creating content that commands attention. Now that your Instagram profile is on point, it's time to unleash your creative powers and produce content that wows your audience. Put your best foot forward and share engaging, eye-catching images, videos, and inspiring stories. Trending video sounds, captivating hooks, subtitles, hashtags, keyword optimization, it's a science and an art. Step three is the art of storytelling. People want a viewing experience that connects to your authentic self. You are your brand. Storytelling is the magic wand that brings your business to life. Use Instagram to tell your story, share behind-the-scenes moments, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Experiment with different formats and styles and watch which one resonates the best with your audience. Does your audience like quick graphics over selfies, 10-second reels over 1-minute talking chats? Find what works for you and then capitalize on that success. Failure is a prerequisite. Remember that. So don't let setbacks discourage you. It's a part of the process. Step four is to engage. Engagement is the name of the game on Instagram. To monetize this platform, you need to build a community of loyal followers who want to comment on your content because it's so compelling and relatable to their personal story. So respond to their comments, ask thought-provoking questions, and spark conversations to skyrocket your engagement. The Instagram algorithm definitely appreciates that buzz and sends you to the explore page when people are engaging by sharing, saving, commenting, replying to stories, DMs, etc. You don't have to spend hours on this, but even 30 minutes a day will show a huge difference. Step five is to leverage the power of collaboration. Instagram is filled with like-minded influencers, experts, and potential collaborators in your niche. So reach out, build connections, and explore opportunities for partnerships. Cross-promote each other's courses, host joint webinars, or create engaging content together. You can get sales from their audience and even add more leads to your email list, webinar funnels, or your course enrollments. Step six is getting those followers to start paying you. This is the moment of truth. Converting your Instagram followers into paying customers is where the rubber really meets the road. So let's dive into some practical tips and techniques to make that cash register ring. Tip one is to make irresistible offers. You've captured your audience's attention, and now it's time to present them with an offer they simply can't refuse. Create exclusive discounts, time-limited promotions, or special bundles that make your online course an irresistible deal. Take your online course and pair it up with some additional goodies or complimentary resources. It could be an exclusive bonus content series, downloadable resources, or even one-on-one coaching sessions. By bundling these together, you're adding extra value and making it hard for your audience to resist. Show them real-life success stories, testimonials, or even offer a sneak peek into the course content. People love seeing tangible results and envisioning themselves achieving similar outcomes. Tip two is to create compelling call to actions. Imagine this. Your followers are scrolling through their Instagram feed and they stumble upon your captivating post. What's the next step? You need to guide them towards action with a compelling CTA or call to action. When crafting your CTA, you want to use clear and concise language that leaves no room for ambiguity. Here's an example. Enroll now and unlock the secrets to Instagram monetization. Or click the link to learn more and take your business to new heights on Instagram. You could also ask people to tag a friend who needs this and let's elevate their Instagram game together. Feel free to customize these examples to fit your specific offering or your course. Tip number 3 is to capture some Instagram stories magic. These fleeting snippets of content offer tremendous potential to engage your audience and generate sales. You can use polls, quizzes, and interactive features to spark curiosity and gather valuable insights from your followers. And don't forget to strategically place links to drive traffic directly to your course enrollment page. Here are some more examples of stories that you could make. First, you could encourage your audience to create and share content related to your offering or course. Run these user-generated content or UGC contests on Instagram stories where participants can submit their entries using a specific hashtag or by tagging your account. Second, you could create story highlights for each of your course's modules. Create dedicated story highlights on your Instagram profile for each module or topic covered in your course. This allows your audience to easily access and revisit your valuable content on Instagram, further showcasing the value of your course in the process. Use engaging cover images and enticing captions to get viewers to explore each and every highlight. Third, you can host live Q&A sessions. Hosting live Q&A sessions on Instagram stories allows you to directly interact with your audience, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. You can promote the session in advance to generate anticipation, and you can encourage your audience to submit their questions beforehand. Use engaging visuals and clear instructions to drive participation. Tip number 4 is to leverage influencer marketing. Influencers hold immense power on Instagram, and tapping into their reach can do wonders for your course sales. Find influencers in your niche who align to your brand values and collaborate with them to promote your courses and digital products. Don't forget about those micro-influencers who might not have huge followings, but have very engaged followers. For example, you could partner with influencers in your niche or industry to create sponsored content that promotes your course or offering. The influencer can share their experience using your product, or they can showcase the value of your course to their audience. Or you could collaborate with your influencers who align with your offering and create an affiliate marketing program. Provide them with a unique affiliate link or discount code that they can share with their audience. They can earn a commission or receive a benefit for each sale generated through their promotion. Next, you could do takeovers or guest posts by allowing influencers to take over your Instagram account for the day, or you can feature them as a guest contributor. You get exposed to their audience, and their audience gets exposed to your offering. Remember to establish clear expectations, compensation, and guidelines when working with your influencers. I hope you've gained some valuable insights and strategies to take your course creator journey to the next level. Remember, success is within your reach, and Instagram is your powerful ally in achieving your goals. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas that you'd like to share, please leave them down below in the comments. We read every single comment, and we love connecting with you all. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you found it valuable, consider subscribing to stay up to date with all our future guides to creating growth for your online education business. Keep calm and monetize on. We'll see you in the next one.